Okay, so finally open, and then that's how it comes packed. And depending on your sign, but that is so you have your neon light installation package. Comes with a remote, power cord, I guess some cable to hang it. Comes with oh, I guess this is the remote adapter that comes there. Then you have the wire connection here. And neon power supply. And let's get this box out of the way. That was a challenge. Kind of glad it came packed that well though. And I'm like covered in cardboard dust. So let's open this plastic up. So again, they kind of went overboard on the packing, but that's okay. I'd rather see them go overboard than underboard, you know what I'm saying? So, get this unwrapped. Looks like it gets a little tricky at this end with the power. Gently pull that apart. So, very cool. Spelling is correct, so that's pretty neat. So we're going to put that down here. Let's get the wire basically undone so we can plug everything in. Alright, so that is your one plug that they use. So that's kind of interesting. I guess that plugs in here. And that's your LED dimmer, or it hooks up to the remote. And let's get this power pack undone. Let's get this plugged in, and we won't undo the other side. I don't think we need that much. Plug that in there. Plug this in. That actually looks pretty amazing. So you can kind of see the orange glow off of that. You hold it like that. So that is pretty. Get the glare out of the way. Let me see if I can't turn the lights off. So you can really see that as the cameras adjust to the lights again. And let me just turn it off one more time. So you can really kind of see how that glows. That is awesome. So it's got the 2 holes drilled here, so you can hang it up by cable on the wall. And yeah, that is pretty awesome. I'm actually pretty impressed with that. They did a nice job. All right. Anyway, let's test out the remote. Takes 2 AA's. Oh, no. Had one battery in wrong. Okay. So that's cool. So that is your on-off switch via remote. Turn that on. Try to not have the glare there. We can make it brighter. We can make it dimmer. You can kind of see it dimming down. So that's pretty neat. It's got a speed button on it, but I think that's probably has something to do with something else. So you got 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way up to 100%. So that gives you a real good idea. I think 50% looks pretty, maybe 60. But yeah, that's absolutely fantastic. And that looks pretty awesome, right? Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall. Be safe out there.